Save time on all your fencing projects with the Powermate VX 9-gauge fencing stapler. The stapler is perfect for heavy gauge wire fencing and horticulture projects. The Powermate VX is made of a lightweight magnesium body. It fires 1.5 to 2 inch 9-gauge fencing staples. It operates at 90 to 120 psi, features a 50 staple magazine, a 360-degree adjustable exhaust, and an optional auxiliary handle for additional control. The nose has adjustable depth, a wire guide for accuracy, and a toolless quick release that clears jams in seconds. Take care of all your fencing needs at your local North 40 Outfitters and north40.com.